Brandywine Farms, where rolling hills are dotted with mature trees, where the charm of the past meets the promise of a remarkable future. Welcome to Traditions of America's newest 55-plus masterpiece. Welcome to Brandywine Farms.
We're excited to introduce Traditions of America at Brandywine Farms. This is the second community of its kind in Chester County by Traditions of America, which follows the highly sought-after, successful, and award-winning Traditions of America at West Brandywine. What's unique about the community is that it is two parcels combined into one community. It will consist of 180 homes, 105 of which are our traditional home sites, 40 half-acre home sites, otherwise known as our Pinnacle homes, as well as Pinnacle Plus, which are multi-acre home sites. Pinnacle homes feature side entry and 3-car garages, expanded footprints, setback from the street, and customizable yards. With Pinnacle homes, it is truly the best of both worlds: natural seclusion, plus access to resort-style amenities, and a busy social calendar.
This is a beautiful property. It's got wetlands, it's got wooded areas, it's got streams. It also has some historic structures. There's an artistry to Traditions of America communities.
We offer award-winning floor plans, which are all fully customizable within our signature Dream Home program.
The building experience was absolutely top-notch. This is a place where you come in and you could build the house exactly the way you want it.
But Traditions of America helps you build more than the home of your dreams. In a Traditions of America community, you're able to live the life of your dreams through spectacular amenities, starting with the clubhouse.
I'm always blown away by the quality of the clubhouse.
The clubhouse will consist of 6,500 square feet with yoga, fitness centers, wine tasting, sports lounge, golf simulator.
The clubhouse is the heart of every Traditions of America community. It's where shared passions, friendly competition, and great conversation create lifelong friendships.
Outside will include a custom pool and spa with pickleball and bocce ball facilities.
On top of that, they also provide a lot of other recreational activities. 47 acres of open space, 1.5 miles of walking trails available.
There's somebody for everybody here. We bond, we have fun together, we help each other. We play together, we laugh together, we cry together, we support each other. It's a safe, loving place to be. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
It's not only houses they're building, but they're building communities. And that's a focus of what they do. And it's why they maintain their award-winning stature.
The people make the community, and the location brings the adventure. Philadelphia, Valley Forge, the iconic King of Prussia Mall, as well as world-class golf, sporting events, and the buzz of a college town are just a short drive. And lush countrysides, hiking, farm-to-table experiences, and dozens of public gardens offer endless opportunities to unwind and relax if you can find time in your calendar.
Here at Traditions of America, every night is like Friday night, and we're thrilled to bring the Live Better lifestyle to Brandywine Farms. Traditions
of America knows what their residents want. And they've done this for enough years. They focus only on 55 plus. It allows them to really provide what their communities want.
When I go to work and I come home, I can't wait to come home. I love my house, literally, and that's what Traditions of America offers.
For years, Brandywine Farms has been the backdrop of countless stories. Traditions of America is so thrilled that the next chapter will be written by you.